What's up, gamers? Sorry, that was a PewDiePie thing. I'm sorry. I thought I'd just document what's going off soon. I've just uploaded a video. Well, I don't know when this is going to come out. I've just uploaded a video, and the battery lights just came on. On the engine strip. And I just thought I'd update you guys on the fact that I am getting my own workshop. It's very sunny outside today. Yeah, this is where I work. And this is my workshop for the Mazda. How cool is that? Basically, the story is that the guy that used to be in this workshop here is moved out. And he's going into you see that these metal railings here? That's where he's moving. He's building it. And he used to have this as a storage place. And basically, basically, the guy's renovating for me for it to be a workshop. Yeah, so it's gonna be sick. It'll be awesome. Yeah, I've got all this space here. All this space, so me, all the cars. Now we're picking up the spare MX-5 soon. That'll be coming soon. Oh, you'll love it. You'll love it. I know you will. Right. Yeah, I'll put you on to when I go pick that one up. Also, before I forget, I've got a new vehicle. That the little Fiesta is gone. Bit the dust. It's actually still outside my house still, but it's still there. That needs to go. And this is the new daily. I call her Big Sheila. Guess, you can guess. Well, I'll leave the guessing to you why she's called Big Sheila. But there you go. There's Sheila. I like it. I mean, I like it. I hope you like it. She's a bit mucky at the moment because I've been driving it, because it is my daily. But yeah, she's gonna have a big body kit soon. And I said this about the Fiesta and all that shit. Oh, that's not a good angle, is it? Anyway, yeah, get on to the picking up the new Mazda. Here we go. Look at this beast. 150 pounds of pure weapon. It's quite a mess. Great. Right, I'm gonna load it on the trailer. Get it sorted. And Big Sheila getting some work done. Oh yeah, look at that. Right, so we've got the car. Well, look at it. Quality. It is just a parts car, really. But I'm just going to have a bit of fun with it. Get bored and stuff. But yeah, we're just off to take it to the garage now. So, alright. See you there. There we go, she's dropped off at the garage. There we go. It looks like she's been crashed here. She's nice and hidden. Got the hardtop. This is what I really bought it for. So I can spray this up. There's a lot of work doing to it. but that's why I really bought it. So yeah, dropped off, sorted. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Well, this COVID-19 thing's all kicked off, and yeah, we're on lockdown. I recorded that video a couple of weeks ago, and yeah, here we are. I just wanted to say, growing a mustache, by the way. I hope you're all keeping safe. Like and subscribe, that'd be great. And a comment if you think I'm doing something wrong or I need to improve something, like I always say. And yeah, thanks very much, and stay safe, guys. Also, this is Morty. Bye bye. Bye bye.